Dear Diary, it's time to catch you up on this week's episode of Mayte's life.
What's poppin', y'all? Hey whores, it's your girl Erica, Mayte, whatever you want to call me, and I am back with another freaking video. Welcome and welcome back. As you guys see from the title below, this video is gonna be a day in the life with me, or like running errands, something like that along the lines. But I'm gonna go run some errands today. I have to go check out a job opportunity, then I have to meet up with my mom, and then we might go out to eat, not too sure. But yeah, I'm about to get ready and then we're gonna leave. Probably gonna wait for my phone to charge a little bit and then we're gonna leave. Ring that says my name, my grandma got me. But then I got my Italian charm bracelets from AliExpress, and the charms I got them from AliExpress and Shein. There's a picture. Look at my shoes. I got these new cute shoes, right? Like, they're so cute. I got those from AliExpress as well. Let's go. I look funny, but I put my scarf back on because we're sitting here waiting for my phone to charge. So when my phone charges, my edges get later. They get laid. But yeah, we're watching the Winx Club. I'm about to change it to this documentary of like some Nazi guy or whatever. But we're gonna do that while my phone charges. It's probably like 10. Oh, what time is it? 9:52. So. See you guys when I'm on the train or something. We gotta check if the trains are working. It's Saturday. Alright, y'all. It's 11:55. We are leaving way later than we expected because we gotta meet up with my mom afterwards. So we kind of calculated to leave now, but it's 11:55. Alright, you can't really see it, but the train says 3 minutes from here, and we need a 2 train, so that's perfect. I walked up these steps, my foot hurts. walking on this block and it looks like they're having like some sort of block party. I don't know, but it's like blocked off. And they have little tents and booths up. I'll show ya. There's more behind me, but this is what I got so far. Is that a Christmas bow? Christmas not here yet. Oh no, it's for the car. Are they gonna win a car? Whoa, those lemonades look so good. Right? So we made it to the address that was given to us, but it literally looks like regular apartments. And then the one next door is just a laundromat, so I'm not too sure. We're waiting for a call back from my mom to find out if we're in the right spot or not.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back in?
Yeah, so it turns out the address that we had wasn't the address, so we're headed to my grandma's now. Oh, my mom's calling me. Yeah. She's still saying it's that building, but that building doesn't have 7 floors, so she's just gonna go figure it out, and then she's gonna make me go. For now, we're headed back to my grandma's. But I gotta take out the metro card. Oh, too late. Go in. Oh, it was walk over. Thank you.
You're worth that chase your body now.
1 minute, you wanna go over there? 1 minute. For the twist train.
You're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Favorite, you're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no.
Hey y'all. As you can tell from the background, I'm at my grandma's house and I'm waiting for my lunch. I got this. Cinco de Mayo. They have the best guacamole in the Bronx. Gotta try it to believe me. Got it? Okay. We're gonna go to the deli really quick to get something. And we're gonna come back before our food gets here and we miss our food. So, vámonos.
Life is just a game, but I'm not playing. Whoa, whoa. He's so replaceable. You're worth that chase your body now. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. No, it's alright. I'm not dangerous when you're mine.
Can I get a Frenchie?
Conmigo tú no pierdes.
This is where I got my Mickey Mouse necklace. The one that says my name.
¿De qué se siente oro especializado?
Ah, yo no sé. Hay que preguntarle.
Para que te diga que sí, cuando viene a ver así.
But see, I have that one, but mine says my name. It's gold. Yeah, mine is silver. But now I wear gold jewelry because I'm an adult. let's go look at the coat. Ya no veo aquí chamara todavía. Sorry.
The jacket?
Y'all don't get that coats out yet?
Not yet. Next couple weeks.
Que todavía. We're in the van. We're on our way home. And we got a fridge and like 3 ACs. I'm home. Let me show you guys. Look, that's the fridge. Hold on.
You got any more garbage you want to take out? Boxes?
I don't think so. I don't see any.
Okay.
¿Hay más basura boxes?
No.
Okay.
Alright, so I'm just gonna throw that downstairs in the front, okay?
No.
Okay.
Alright, just take it easy.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good night.
Glory, have a good one, okay, Chief? Alright, everybody.
Look at the fridge. It looks so cute. OMG. The new AC is quiet. You don't hear it. Coming. Ooh, this is cute. Got the little freezer right here. How do you use this freezer? Oh, it's closed. ¿Qué pasa? Huh? Oh. Look at the freezer. Este es el freezer, ¿ok, ma? Esta parte de arriba del freezer.
¿Pone cuál?
Congela. Hi, Money, what are you doing in here? What my cat doing in here? Hold on. Look, where he going? Oh, he ran under the bed. But look, my brother got an AC too. Okay. He took my art, but whatever. Say cheese, Mom. She's tired. That's the end of this vlog, y'all. We did eat some McDonald's just now. My mom also bought us McDonald's. And I think later on, we're more hungry. We're gonna finish the burrito and the burger that we had bought. But we're about to watch Sin Seno Si Hay Paraíso and then just chill.